Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the dataset is ready. Headers in one top row and no blank rows or merged cells. Once that's set, select the header row and enable Data Filter so the drop-down arrows appear. If your data is formatted as a table, make sure the header checkbox is active. If not, convert to table or back to range deliberately. These steps ensure Excel recognizes each column correctly and prevents invisible gaps from breaking the filter functionality. Next, clear all filters and reapply to refresh Excel's filter cache. This often fixes stuck dropdowns. Make sure there are no hidden rows or blank header cells breaking the column alignment. Also check that each column's data type is consistent. Text mixed with numbers can hide entries. If you use slicers or freeze panes, temporarily remove them. If the sheet is protected, unprotect it so filters can run. These middle steps resolve most non-obvious conflicts. To finish, run Go to Special to find blanks, errors, or hidden objects that block filters and correct those cells. Once done, save, close, and reopen Excel. Sometimes a restart clears temporary glitches. Make a copy of the sheet and test filters there. If problems persist, rebuild the table in a new workbook to eliminate file corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if filters still misbehave, inspect for workbook-level macros or add-ins. Disable them briefly to see if they are interfering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.